Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I'll be dropping legit suppliers for yoga jumpsuits, all the swim trunks, panties. We love looking good, so we're dropping them back to back, different suppliers. So I'm running my 30 days challenge. So in this 30 days I'll be dropping different suppliers contacts, legit suppliers contacts. So if you've not liked this video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do it to subscribe so that you don't mix out on any of the suppliers contacts. Welcome back. This is Jenny CEO here in this channel to about how to make legit money online, importation, business growth, everything business. So after watching this video, and I'm going to congratulate you as an importer, and if you have been importing, congratulations once again. So you're talking about jumpsuits, yoga, well, not just yoga, all this exercising, fitness clothing, all these panties, bras, and all that, lingeries. So that is the content I'll be dropping right now on my screen. So I'll be posting the videos how they looks like on this one, so just follow up and see how they look like. Now once I drop this suppliers contact, all I need to do is to chat them up. That is all. Chat them up, negotiate if you've not, and you're good to go. Don't forget to negotiate, very important. And after doing that, please don't chat them up if you're not ready. You can jot them down, then when you're ready you can chat them up. All right, so you don't make them angry, and when next you're ready to buy and they will not reply to you. So please make sure you jot down if you're not ready yet before buying. So that is all. And the next thing you need to do now, once you see what you love, if it's on WeChat, always follow through their moments. If it's on WhatsApp, go through their WhatsApp status. All right, so once you get what you want, the next thing to do is to arrange and make your payment. Once you make your payment, the next thing you need to do is to ask them for videos of your goods they've packaged and you see it. Make sure that your name is intact and your phone number is intact. The next thing you need to do right now is to send to them your shipping address. If you don't know the shipping companies to use, if you're a newbie, not to worry, go through other videos. I've dropped that contact there. So you chat them up, pick the one of your choice, chat them up, ask them to give you what they call shipping company shipping address. And remember, shipping methods are two types: sea shipping and air shipping. Sea shipping takes 2 to 3 months to arrive Nigeria as a case study. I don't know about other countries, I'm in Nigeria. Then air shipping takes sometimes 7 to 14 days. All right, so once they package it, you tell them the method you want and they use it, and you get it in your country and you're good to go. And after getting it, you don't just want to keep it as a souvenir, you need to sell. Then the next thing, you start selling. How do you sell? You run using your Facebook ad, or you sell on Facebook Marketplace for free. Facebook Marketplace is sell for free there. All you just need to do is, I've made a video on that, go and watch it, how to sell on Facebook for free. I've made a video on that. Please, I don't want this video to be too long, so go and watch that video. Then if you also want to run a Facebook ad, I've made 2 or 3 different videos on how to run a successful Facebook ad that convert to sales. Go ahead and watch that video. Then you advertise it and you hear sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out. This is what we want to hear as a business person. Now the next thing again is, if you don't also want to sell in all these places, you can also sell on GG. GG is also a selling platform, and they have a free version and they have a pro version. The free version, I use it, that is where I sell on GG, and I've not paid for once, and I've been selling. Even the goods I posted long ago that I've forgotten. Some people call me, hello, excuse me, I'm interested in these goods, I want to buy. I'll say, oh sorry, it's out of stock. It's out of stock. So it's still active. So sell on that. If you also know how to sell on Jumia, go ahead. If you know how to sell on Konga, go ahead. Then if you don't, you can also run a Facebook ads, run Instagram ads, post on your WhatsApp status. Yes, that's another marketing strategy. Post there and you're good to go. Then that is all. If you have any question, please drop on the comment section. If you have anything you want me to say, if you have any other contacts you want me to drop on this 30 days challenge, drop there and I'll do well to bring you contact right here on my channel. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you've not. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. It's totally free. See you in my next video. Love you all.